I will try to use the computer to control the height of the standing desk, so that the desk itself becomes more intelligent. How can I link the computer and the desk together? Well, the easiest way is Bluetooth. This BTD02 is the Bluetooth dongle for the FlexiSpot standing desk company. It can be plugged into the network port of the standing desk motor box, so that the standing desk can be linked to the computer's Bluetooth. Immediately after, open the control software on the computer's Windows 10 system. Search for the Bluetooth name and connect. You can use the mouse to control the height of the desk. Use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Alt-Up arrow to raise the desk. Ctrl-Alt-Down arrow to lower the desk. Look, only 2 steps to achieving a computer-controlled standing desk. In addition, the keyboard can be replaced with a laser keyboard. So cool. Bluetooth link. You can perform the operation. A virtual keyboard of this type can also achieve shortcut keys to control the lift of the desk. Then just look at the RGB settings of my overall desktop. Stick LED strips behind the desk and under the desk. Scan the QR code on the LED light strip to pair your smartphone with the LED strip via Bluetooth. You can then use your paired smartphone to change the colors of the LED light strip. I use the main case with RGB light effects. The desktop also incorporates 2 pickup lights to pulsate with the music. The use of the mouse, headphones, and keyboard also involve light effects. A configuration like this can greatly improve the overall RGB atmosphere.